What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be opening up a package, but before we even open this, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So I just opened it with scissors. I have not looked in it, but you guys can look. Here's for the first piece. Oh, you see it? So yeah, let's take it out of the box. It came in another baggie. And then there's some stickers, and right in this one it says made in China, and there's Chinese words on here, so yeah. And then it has this little Ziploc thing, baggie. Oh, that's cute. I got a bread. Let's smell. That smells really good. It smells like a real bread baked and came out of freshly out of the oven. But it is pretty big compared to my head. It is pretty big. So yeah, I think it's like a 6.64 or a 6. It has to do something with 6 and then a different number. I'm pretty sure it's a 6.7 or 6.4. I'm not sure. But yeah, this is it. If you guys give this video to 20 likes, well, I will be showing you guys all my squishies. I'm pretty sure I am going to be waiting through the video, even though if you guys give me 20 likes and like this, because like I ordered more squishy, another squishy I mean. So yeah, and if I make all my squishies, then what am I supposed to do with the other ones? So yeah, but yeah, if you guys get it to 20, I'll show you all my squishies. I really love how soft and leaves your like handprint on it. It's really nice and squishy. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video. And guys, if you guys want to get this, the best places to go to get cheap squishies, not that I buy there, but like to buy cheap squishies, like pretty much usually people do, I don't. This one's like 10 something, I'm not sure. But yeah, to get cheap squishies, you can go to Amazon, Banggood, Wish, and other places like that, and you will get some squishies similar to this, but for lower prices. I don't shop at those stores because like I just feel like the other stores are better and squishier, and they're better. So yeah. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed.